In the welding industry, you become an artist of metal, seamlessly joining diverse materials and fashioning them into awe-inspiring structures. Imagine transforming raw sheets of metal into towering skyscrapers, intricate sculptures, or powerful pipelines. With an average about 49,000 job openings for welders, cutters, solderers, and brazers expected each year over the next decade, your skills as a welder become the foundation which the modern world is built. Students in Butler Tech's welding program experience in-depth training while using the latest technologies as the creative and literal sparks fly. Butler Tech provides hands-on training, co-ops, and internships to ensure welding students have the skills and experiences necessary to be career-ready and college-prepared. From bustling cityscapes to remote offshore platforms, your skills are universally desired. So, spark your interest in metal fusion and creativity in welding at Butler Tech. Pursue your passion with a future in the welding industry.